In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a zoom cut in CapCut. Okay, so here in CapCut, I have a existing project opened and I got a timeline here or a video. So how to add a zoom cut? So to add a zoom cut, first is you need to find or to divide your video, right? So let's say, for example, that I want to split this video, and I'm going to use this part here where I'm not talking, and I'm gonna split, and I'm gonna find the other part. So let's say here I'm not talking, and I'm gonna split it again, and I will select that video, and I'm going to video basic, and we see that scale is 100%. So let's say that I want to make it 130 to zoom in that video, which is this part here. And I can adjust it a bit, and I'm gonna check the preview, and we see that we're able to add a zoom cut, right? And then once that part of the video finishes playing, it will go back to the original size or scale. Okay, so that's how you can add a zoom cut in CapCut. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.